Welcome! In front of me I have REALME 8 and today I'll show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. Let's open Play Store and tap on the right upper corner, click on this arrow and click to add another account. Right now choose Google account. Use your verification method, in my case it's fingerprint sensor. Input your new account email. Click next, and then we have to input our password, so that's what I'm going to do right now. When you input your password you have to click next, accept the Google terms of the service, and then just take a look. When you tap on the right upper corner, you are able to switch between your accounts. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.